Hello everyone, welcome to Data Science Community. In today's video, we are going to learn about what are include and exclude function in Power BI. Okay, so without wasting our time, let's start. So this is the basic interface which we get. So in this video, we are going to use this, which is basically a stacked column chart file, which I saved as named as column chart. So we are using this. If you do not follow these series, go and check it out my previous video in which I already explained how to use column chart. So here I'm using these 5, okay, which we already created a chart. Okay, so here I'm using that. So let's just open this file. Basically that was the pop-up window which we get when we open our Power BI. Okay, and from there I'm selecting the recent file which I used. Okay, so this is my whole data set. Okay, and here we are going to use focus mode. Okay, and here as you can see here, this is our stacked column chart. Okay, and in this I will apply include and exclude function. Okay, so basically include and exclude function in Power BI are used to filter a data in a visual. Okay, if you want to filter your data in a visual, so this is our visual. Okay, you can use any of the chart, it does not matter. Okay, so this is our basic stacked column chart. Include function. Okay, for that just click on any of the stack. Okay, for example I clicked here and just press Ctrl and click any of the other block. Okay, so I clicked on these blocks and just right click here and you have this include and exclude function. Let's first see what this include does. Okay, so if I use this include, you can see here include function allows you to focus on a specific data points. Okay, so here I clicked on 2 data points, so it will show me these 2 data points here. Okay, here you can see this blue is for east and this purple is for west. Okay, and here you can see the category, it is from storage and it is from phones. Okay, that's how you can use include function. Okay, to focus on a specific data points, which we use include, I say exclude. Here we use include to focus on a specific data points. Okay, so let's just do Ctrl Z to. Okay, so let's do it again. Okay, select 2 stack and here I use any of the data point. Okay, and just right click here and use exclude. You can see here exclude function allows you to remove unwanted data points. Okay, so here you can see that the west stack is the west region. Basically the west region is removed from here and the east region which I selected from here is removed. Okay, so you can see here exclude function allows you to remove the unwanted data points. Okay, and I want my data points back, so I'll just click Ctrl Z so that they will back. Okay, so that's how you can use include and exclude function in Power BI for your data analysis. Okay, thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more such videos.